Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Valentine's Day room tour. So on my door here we have this sign that says Happy Valentine's Day, loads of love, super cute. Over here we have this little heart plush. On my mirror we have some little heart decals and then this balloon that says Happy Valentine's Day. On my bed here we have some Valentine's Day bears with this blanket that I recently got from Target. And then coming along here on my dresser, we have this lip scarf. We have this little bucket with some sweethearts inside, the candy. My Valentine's Day ducks with little hearts on them, both sides. I have some hearts scattered along here. And then I also have my sweet pea candle, my little mailbox, Hello Kitty, this sign that says Live, Love, Laugh, a candle, and then a room spray. I have my heart poppet back there, and then I also hung up this sign that says love. Oh, also over here we have my Valentine's Day gnomes with this little XOXO sign. And yeah guys, that is my Valentine's Day room tour. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.